You know, guys, it is nice to know that some people like very adoring on me, very idolizing me. Oh my God, don't too much because I become a viral and go to the famous. Oh, ginoo ko. Ayo taon niyo palabi kay na. Kasi mo adto na ko ani sa GMA ug EBC-BIN. You know what? The more you adore in me, the more become a famous. Continue what you do because I'm enjoying my life. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, yes, guys. So I shared you there. Um, I was Vin. Hi. I was Vin. If you say I'm ugly, well, if you say I'm ugly, well, why are you keeping longing to me? So I was Vin in my reading class. It's adobo. If I go outside, like you if you can see the glass, it look like it's a glass. But this is a double, and also I can see very far and close and reading. Yep. So EO, and also it's nice, not cheap, very nice. Take a look. You see that? So very nice